Okay guys, welcome to tutorial 7 on the canvas, and in this we're going to be looking at the fill style, the fill rect, and especially here, the clear rect. This is the one I want to show you, okay? So I've given the canvas, I have a width and height 700, we have a 3 pixel blue border. Here's our var C for the canvas, and here we are telling this variable that we want to draw to the canvas, okay? So if I run this the way I have it, I've made it fill rect 100 by 100, 500 by 500, the 100 in 500 square, and we've taken out a clear rect of 150 by 200, and it's in 150 down 200, and it's 150 square. So if we change that 150 to say, let's see, 250, okay, save that. We'll go back in here. No, we'll go back in here and refresh it, and there you go. It's now 250 there, okay? Actually go the other way, and we could bring this to, let me see, I'm in 150, yeah, we'll just go for it. Okay, save that, dash this, and voila, see, out we go again. So that's the clear rect, so I hope you can have a look at that yourself, where you can take pieces out and go through it, and we move on to a few other ones for the next one, okay? Alright, take care guys, thanks, bye bye.